Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to get this look right here in under 5 minutes, and this is my go-to makeup look for a Zoom meeting or a Zoom call. So if you guys want to see how I got this look in under 5 minutes, please keep watching. So let's get started because we want this video to be quick. All right, so first I'm going to start with my sunscreen slash moisturizer. I don't know if you guys know, but even when you are at home, it's really important to wear SPF because the sun does come in through the windows. So yeah, I like to wear my SPF at home, and my moisturizer is SPF slash moisturizer. So I just do my 2 steps in one. So yes, skincare always first. So the first product that I'm going to use is a tinted moisturizer by ColourPop Cosmetics. This is supposed to be under 5 minutes. I should have had all my brushes ready. Okay, that's one thing. If you really want to do this in under 5 minutes, have all your stuff on you when you start, because now I'm looking for a brush. Okay, so totally just used up like 2 of my 5 minutes on looking for a brush. So I'm just gonna put it all over my face. And this is just like a very light coverage. When I'm trying to be fast, I like to use a brush because it just blends everything else so much quicker. Wherever you see that you don't have as much coverage as you would like, you can add a little bit more and it gives you a little more coverage. But tinted moisturizer for the most part is pretty sheer. I don't think you need a lot of coverage for a Zoom meeting. You just don't want your eye bags coming out. Okay. All right, step number 2 is a little bit of concealer, and this is just gonna help you hide your dark under eye circles, if you have any, if you've been staying up all night watching Netflix. So I'm not going to be setting my face with any powder. I honestly prefer to skip powder whenever I can. And I mean, I don't know how long you're in a Zoom meeting, but I don't think that you need to set your face for a Zoom meeting. This is really just so you look a little bit more put together, so that your under eye bags aren't showing all over the place, and so that you look like you put in a little effort, but you don't want to spend more than 5 minutes because you're not really going anywhere. So I'm just going to put on a little bit of bronzer, and you can totally skip this step if you want to just keep it more simple. But I like the bronzer. I feel like it adds a little bit of more color, dimension to the face, livens you up. Literally not even gonna do blush. This is like some leftover blush that was already on the brush, so I didn't even like dip in there. Okay, so we don't need highlighter. We're just going to Zoom. So I'm gonna be using this KKW Beauty Mascara. I don't know where my L'Oreal Telescopic is. Literally, this is one of the most important steps because just a little bit of mascara really just opens up your eyes and makes you look so much more put together. Oh my god, guys, I'm gonna run late because I just don't know where anything is. So I know that I said I wasn't gonna use any powder, but I can already see my concealer creasing in my eyelids, and I don't like that. So we are going to add an extra step, and hopefully not more than like 30 seconds. Yeah, I really don't like it when my product creases in my eyelid. I'm just, with a little bit of translucent powder, I'm just gonna go over the lid, and since we're already here with powder, might as well just set the under eye too. Why not? Just the under eye though, not anything else. Okay. So, all right, so we're gonna do eyebrows now, and eyebrows are also very important, just as important as mascara. I mean, unless you're blessed with beautifully full eyebrows, but I like to just fill in my eyebrows because it just gives your face a shape. But I'm not doing like a full on precise brow, more just like filling in the empty spaces just so that your brows look more defined. All right, so we're done with brows. All right, this part is totally optional, and it's if you have time left in your 5 minutes, but I'm going to outline my lips with a little bit of a nude lip liner just so that my lips have a little bit more of a shape. Honestly, this shade is a little bit dark. I thought I was grabbing the lighter shade, so I don't know. If you're a lipstick person, you can do lipstick, but I really just prefer a little bit of chapstick. And then I'm just gonna, the chapstick really helps the lip liner blend into the rest of the lip, and I'm just gonna wipe some of it away because I wasn't really going for this like dark of a color. Honestly, with the lips, you can really just do a lip balm. It really just depends on what your field of work is and how much makeup you're comfortable with or how much makeup you even wear on a regular. But this next part is optional as well. But if you want to go an extra step, you can put a little bit of brown, like a bronzy color, on your lid, just to add a wash of color. And again, this is completely optional. We were already done before we even hit the shadow, but you have a few minutes to spare if you don't have kids running around your house. Adding a little bit of bronze, like a bronzy shade, all over your eyelid always makes a very, very simple look. Just step up a notch, and it literally takes like a minute. Same color, just blend it all over the eyelid. All right, so this is my under 5-minute makeup look for a Zoom meeting, or really just a FaceTime meeting too. Anything that you need to show your face online, but you're obviously not gonna spend an hour doing your makeup for a Zoom call. All you really need is 5 minutes. It just helps you look put together and like you actually put in some effort to show up to this meeting. All right, bye guys. I'm late to my Zoom because I couldn't find any of my products. That's one thing. If you wanna get ready quick, keep all your shit together because I am late because I didn't have all my shit together. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found some value in it. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up to help my channel grow. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.